This experience is best viewed using a virtual reality headset. During this video, you will experience VR from the perspective of a drone. If at any point you feel uncomfortable or nauseous, please just take off the VR headset. So today, I'm up at a place called Long Mind Viewpoint in the Shropshire Hills. Oh, I don't know if this wind's going to be too bad. Still quite early in the morning. What time is it actually? 20 past 6, yeah, it's still pretty early. But we've got a beautiful start to the day. I mean, look at that. It's nice up here. Again, apologies for this wind if you can't hear me very well. Thanks to Dan as well, who pointed out to me that I should come up here first, because I was originally planning on going down to Cardiff Mill Valley, which is right in front of me, I believe, and at this time in the morning it's in the darkness. So thank you, Dan, good shout. If I'd have been down there, you wouldn't be able to see anything. Yeah, this is nice. The wind might be a little bit much for the drone. It's borderline. I can probably get away with it. It's a lot windier than I thought it was going to be. There we go. Oh, thank God for that. Blowing a hurricane up there. Yeah, I think we should be all right for the drone as long as I'm sensible with it. Oh, what a lovely way to start your day. Should I go up there? Yeah, I'm going to go up there. I'm going to see if the view's any better up there. Yeah, as soon as you get up to the ridge, right up to the top, the wind is terrible. Oh, another thank you to Dan. Obviously, I was planning on starting down in the valley and then walking up here. And Dan was like, oh no, you can park at the top. So, I mean, I've parked right here. If there was any place in the country that was designed for me, this is probably it. I'll have to walk up it. Fantastic. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the drone up. It's not really high enough for me to properly see like the surrounding landscape. So yeah, I think the drone's probably the best way to go with this.
Finding new kinds of confidence. Now I'm something of a late night alchemist. You should already know what time it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna show you how it's done now. Turn the lights on.
I've parked, unfortunately, yeah, I've parked a little bit further up the road because the road is closed. I'm walking down to Carden Mill Valley now. I'm assuming this is still part of the valley. Oh yeah, gift shop. Must be quite a popular place this then. Yeah, anyway, it's only about half a mile down here to where I want to go to. At least it's a damn sight less windy down here because it was blowing a gale up there. I'm so glad I drove because that walk would have taken absolutely ages, and there is supposed to be some like more of a poor weather front, shall we say, that's coming in. So I needed to get this all filmed before that arrives. I don't think it's supposed to be raining, but I think there's supposed to be like quite a thick cloud that's coming in, so they just ruined the light for me. So I might as well make the most of the sun while it's out. Oh man, imagine living down here. This is gorgeous. See these 4 horses? 5 minutes ago, they were laid here, and I walked up, and honestly, they didn't move for about 3 minutes. Not even slightly, to the point where I 100% believed they were fake. Turns out they're real. I've already made friends with them, so hopefully they'll let me come a little bit closer with the camera and you get to meet them. The baby one's so cute. Now this is the sketchy bit. Ooh, don't fall in the water. Don't fall in the water. There we go. Well, that bit was steeper than I thought it was going to be. Right, I think this is what I'm looking for. It's only a little pond. Oh my God, it's windy up here. Don't know whether you can hear me. Yeah, it's just what I'm looking for. I'm intrigued by that. What is that? What does that do? Does it drain water? I have no idea. Right, yeah, I'm gonna, providing this wind doesn't get any stronger, I'm gonna get the drone up again here and just fly it around and see what it looks like from up there. Yeah, right, let's do it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna show you how it's done now. Turn the lights on. 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 Turn the lights on.
I think I'm going to call it a day now. The clouds are starting to roll in and the light's starting to go. So yeah, I think I'll end it here. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you next time.